What up, my name is Darren Wong and I represent the Kinjas, and welcome to my beginner breaking class where I teach you all the basic moves, steps, and techniques you need to know in order to break. Alright, so in today's episode we'll be working on a top rock step I call the kick and twist slide. Alright, so before we jump into the tutorial, if you want to take your dance skills to the next level and have private lessons with myself, go ahead and click that link in the description box right now so you can apply today, and hopefully we'll be able to work together. Alright, so for this episode, you will need to understand how to do your basic kick and twist, so if you don't know how to do that, be sure to check out my previous video I did on that before coming to this one. Alright, so I really like to use this step a lot, especially when I do choreography, to really take up a lot of space and use up a lot of the stage versus just staying in where you are. Okay, so for this one, all I'm going to do is do my regular kick and twist, so this kick, but instead of just standing here and stopping, I'm going to use my right leg to kind of jump to my left. Okay, so it's almost like I'm leaping this way over here. So at the same time, I'm going to add a little bit of a drag or slide with my left foot, so it looks a little bit like this. So my left toe is dragging on the floor while my right is leaping to the left. So let's try that. So I'm going kick and then jumping this way, slide, and then I'm going to end with a kick and twist, kick and twist. Okay, so it's a kick and twist slide ending with a kick and twist. So with my left again, I'm going left, switch, slide, kick, and twist. So in your mind, you want to think you're still doing two kick and twist on one side. So I'm basically doing kick and twist, kick and twist, but now I'm just adding that slide to create a little bit more dimension and a little bit more of a dynamic to it. So here we go. So 5, 6, 7, 8 goes kick and slide, kick and twist. So now we can do the same thing going the other way. So same techniques apply. So going kick and twist with my right, and then from here, I'm using my left leg to launch myself this way, and at the same time, to create a little bit of a drag, I'm using my right leg to just drag on the floor. Okay, so let's try that with my right. So 6, 7, 8, this goes kick and slide, kick and twist. Okay, let's try that one more time. So 5, 6, 7, 8, this goes kick and slide, kick and twist. All right, so now let's try going back and forth to some counts. So in my head, with a kick and twist, I'm usually going 1 and 2, 1 and 2. So same thing applies when I do the slide, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Let's go left to right. Here we go. So 5, 6, 7, 8. This goes 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1, and let's go one time. 1, 2, 1 and 2, and 1, 2, 1 and 2. All right, so let's try that again. I'll face it back so you get a different angle. Here we go. So 5, 6, 7, 8. I'm going 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1. One more time. 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2, 1 and 2. Alright, so before we jump into the music, go ahead and do me a favor. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel right now if you haven't, and also hit the bell so you're always notified when I drop videos just like this. Alright, so key takeaways with this one. I'm really just keeping my same technique for my original kick and twist, but I'm just now adding a little bit more drama, some more dynamics to it, and really creating more space with my movement just by launching myself from one side to another and using that drag to create a little bit of a slide. Alright, so I'd love to see you practicing and training hard, so go ahead and post up a video. Make sure to tag at Darren R. Wong. I'll be sure to give you props and shout outs and good things like that. Alright, so again, make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and also let me know down in the comments what you liked about it, what you learned from it, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.